Do you ever open your mouth to speak English and your brain says, wait, give me a second, translating?
And then when you finally say the sentence, the other person is already walking away like, okay, maybe next time.
Or maybe you know 100 words, but when you try to speak, they all disappear, like your socks in the laundry.
If that sounds like you, don't worry, you're not alone. Almost every English learner goes through this.
But today, we're going to fix that problem. For good.
Yes! We're going to show you how to speak English without thinking. Naturally, confidently, and fast. Just like native speakers.
And the best part? You don't need to memorize grammar rules or learn 1,000 new words.
You only need to change how you practice.
So grab your coffee, your notebook, and maybe a cookie, because this lesson is going to be fun, practical, and full of aha moments.
Let's start with something simple. When you speak your first language, you don't think about grammar or words, right? You just speak.
Exactly. You don't say, wait, I need to remember the past tense, the subject, and the verb order. You just know it automatically.
That's the goal, to make English automatic.
Think about driving a car. At first, you think about everything. The pedals, the mirrors, the signals, your coffee cup, your GPS.
And maybe that one person honking behind you because you're too slow.
But after some time, boom, it becomes automatic. You drive while singing, talking, or daydreaming about pizza.
Speaking English is the same. You have to train your brain to drive automatically, and we'll show you 5 simple steps to make that happen.
Main lesson. The 5 steps to speak without thinking. Step 1. Stop translating in your head. This is the biggest mistake English learners make. They think in their native language first, then translate into English.
That's like trying to run with your shoelaces tied together.
Let's test this. When I say apple, what comes to your mind? If you think of the word in your language, you're translating. If you see the fruit, red, shiny, maybe delicious, you're starting to think in English.
That's exactly how native speakers think. They don't think in words, they think in pictures.
So next time, don't say the word in your head in your language. Just see it, feel it, imagine it.
Let's practice together. Dog. Picture it. Don't translate it. Rain. Imagine the sound. Happy. Feel the emotion. Coffee. Smell it. Taste it. Imagine the morning vibe.
The more you do this, the less your brain will translate. It'll start to think directly in English.
Step 2. Learn phrases, not words. Now listen, learning single words is like collecting puzzle pieces with no picture. You need full phrases to see the big picture.
For example, if you learn only the word coffee, you don't know how to use it.
But if you learn the phrase, "Can I get a coffee, please?" you can actually use it in real life.
Here are 5 super useful, ready-to-use phrases you can memorize. Can I get a sandwich? Can I get a ticket? I'll have water, please. Could you please open the window? I'm looking for my phone. Do you have time later?
Memorize these as chunks, like small songs. Your mouth will remember them faster than your brain.
Let's do a little rhythm practice. Repeat after us. Can I get a coffee, please? I'll have a sandwich, please. Could you please help me?
Perfect. That's how you build automatic speaking.
Step 3. Shadow native speakers. Copy their rhythm. Okay, this one is fun. It's called shadowing. You listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say. Same speed, same tone, like a shadow.
You can do this with YouTube videos, movies, or even songs. Pick one sentence and copy it.
Here's an example. Listen carefully. What's up? How's it going?
Now you. What's up? How's it going?
Not what is up, how is it going? That sounds like a robot with a dictionary.
You want the natural rhythm. Short, connected, musical.
Let's try another. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Say it with me.
What do you want to do?
Nice. That's how you start sounding natural.
If you do this for just 10 minutes a day, your brain will start copying how English feels, not just how it looks. Step 4. Speak every day, even if you're alone. Aiden, be honest. Do you talk to yourself in English?
Every single day. In the shower, in the car, even while making breakfast.
That's not weird. That's smart. Speaking to yourself helps your brain practice thinking in English.
Try this exercise. Describe your day in English. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm cooking dinner. I'm late again. We've all been there.
You can also tell mini stories to yourself. For example, this morning I woke up late. I ran to the bus stop. The bus driver smiled. I said, "Thank you."
Boom! You just practiced past tense, speaking rhythm, and confidence, all at once.
Another great trick is the 1-minute challenge. Pick a topic, food, hobbies, movies, dreams, and speak nonstop for 60 seconds.
Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is not perfection. It's flow.
Step 5. Listen more, study grammar less. A lot of learners spend too much time memorizing grammar, but listening builds natural grammar, like a child learning their first words.
Yes, kids don't learn present perfect. They just hear, "I've been here before. I've done that," and their brain gets it.
So fill your ears with English. Listen to podcasts, YouTube channels, English music, or audiobooks.
Even if you only understand 60%, your brain is learning the patterns, like gonna, wanna, gotta, and kinda.
That's how you move from student English to real-world English.
Think of your brain as a sponge. The more you listen, the faster it absorbs natural speech.
Aiden, remember when I tried to order coffee in Italy?
Oh no, this story again.
I walked up to the counter and wanted to say, "I'd like a cappuccino." But instead I said, "I am cappuccino."
You became the coffee. Coffee face with tears of joy.
Yes, the barista looked so confused. He was probably thinking, "Okay, Miss Cappuccino."
That's the moment you realize translation doesn't work.
Exactly. If I had just practiced, "Can I get a cappuccino, please?" it would have come out automatically.
Let's show everyone what automatic English looks like.
Hi there, can I get a cappuccino, please?
Of course, small or large.
Large, please. Oh, and could you make it with almond milk?
Sure thing. Anything else?
That's all, thanks.
You got it. That'll be $5.
Simple, smooth, natural. Emily didn't stop to think. She just used ready-made phrases.
Let's practice it together. Slow first, then fast. Repeat after us. Can I get a cappuccino, please? Can I get a cappuccino, please? Now faster. Can I get a cappuccino, please?
Perfect. See how your tongue starts to move automatically?
That's exactly what we mean by speak without thinking.
Extra tips, bonus section. Before we finish, let's add some quick bonus tips.
Tip number 1. Use English in real life. Change your phone, your YouTube, and even your Netflix language to English.
Tip number 2. Join online conversations. Find speaking partners on apps or Facebook groups. Even a 5-minute chat helps.
Tip number 3. Don't fear mistakes. Native speakers make mistakes too. Trust me, I still mix up your and your when I'm sleepy.
Tip number 4. Celebrate progress. Every time you speak faster or understand a new phrase, say, "I'm getting better."
Because you are.
Let's review what we learned today. To speak English without thinking, follow these steps. Stop translating in your head. Learn full phrases, not words. Shadow native speakers. Speak every day, even to yourself. Listen more than you study grammar.
And remember, confidence comes from speaking, not thinking.
Don't wait until your English is perfect. Start speaking now. Mistakes are part of the journey.
All right, English heroes, it's your turn.
Question of the day. What's one English phrase you want to say automatically, without thinking?
Write your answers in the comments. We'll read and reply to our favorites.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit that like button, subscribe for more fun English videos, and share it with your friends.
Next week's lesson, how to sound confident in English, even when you're nervous. You don't want to miss that.
Thanks for watching. And remember, the more you speak, the easier it gets.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.